Guys, it's Matt. We're going to open some packs. Today we have a World of Warcraft ScourgeWar Ice Crown. See, can we pull the woolly white rhino and redeem a mountain wow? We got Bitter Cold Arm Guards, Kissa Shadowstalker, Kazik Skullcracker, the Boon of Adal, Divert, the Boon of Remulos, Deliberate Vengeance, Blood Plague, Madria Blunt Brew, Doom, Necessary Sacrifice, Mindseer, Colossal Totem, Asjol Anak Skirmisher, Heavy Borean Leather, Argent Confessor Palatrus, Deathgate, Yimmer Helm Chosen Warrior, Conquering Shout, and Marauding Geist. Alright guys, it's been Matt. I'll see you guys tomorrow.